Thanks to the new interactive calculation mode, results can be analyzed immediately. This feature is suitable not only for sports facilities but also for all types of lighting projects. To prepare, select the designated measuring surface and press the calculation button in the Properties panel. Next, add a RG table from the calculation raster window. Confirm by clicking OK. Ensure that the street measurement surface is selected and that the calculation grid button is pressed to activate the interactive calculation mode. This means that a pre-calculation has been executed in real time. The results can be viewed immediately in the Results tab. By selecting the other measuring surfaces representing the different parking areas, immediate results will be displayed. In addition to displaying the horizontal illuminance results in numerical form, you can also apply the false color view, as shown. To speed up the planning process, particularly when adjusting Luminaire aiming, Relux has implemented the Adjustment tool. Activate the Adjust button as shown and switch to the street measuring surface. Now select the designated aiming arrow by clicking on it and move it in the direction shown. An immediate update of the results will follow. Switch to the 3D view and activate the Calculation Grid button to display the results there as well. Apply the same shifting procedure to the designated aiming arrow as described previously. The Adjustment tool works in both views, 2D and 3D. In addition, you can switch to another result type. In this case, switch to the RG table result type in the submenu shown. Now switch to the 2D view and, under Window in the ribbon, select the Vertically command. The result will be a multi-view representation. Working in a multi-view perspective enables you to track any result type changes effectively and immediately. In particular, when shifting the aiming arrow as shown in the 2D view, you can not only see the changes in horizontal illuminance, but also the changes in the 3D view regarding the RG table results.